In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add interactive quizzes to your uploaded YouTube videos. So first things first, go to your YouTube channel, log in, and start your upload. So go to the Create button here, go to Upload Video, and do all the normal things that you usually do when you upload a YouTube video. Now, once we're here in the process and we're going through all of the steps to upload a video, we're going to go to the option that is Video Elements. This is where you normally add subtitles, end screens, cards, products. If you're monetized, you should see a new option here that says Add Quiz. If we go to Add, we'll then be presented with what looks like an editor here within YouTube. So, as you can see, quiz number one or question number one here, we can give it answer. So we can go ahead and type in the question. So go here and type in, say, question one, and then we can start adding answers. So we'll say answer one, answer two, and then we can even add multiple choice options here, all the way up to 4 specific options. Now, this is going to be shown at exactly the time where I am on the timeline. So right here, I'm at 0, 0, 0. But if I go here and add another question at a specific timestamp, I can go here, and then what I can do is I can add quiz, and this would be question number 2. I go ahead and select the seconds that I want to add. So we'll say I want to add this at 30 seconds, like so. And then what you'll do is you'll give it a question, say number 2, and then go ahead and give it a couple of answers. You can add some other answers, and then you're good to go. Now, when people are going and watching your video, so as you can see, this question here is showing up at the beginning of the video. This question here is showing up at 30 seconds of the video. If you wanted to, you could delete questions by going to the trash can icon here. Same goes for answers. You can delete specific answers by utilizing the trash can icon here. And if you wanted to, you could press the play button here to see what that would look like. It's going to be more of a pop-up here on the video. So if we go here and we take a look at, say, question number 1, which is this one here, we should be able to see where it's going to ask us that specific question here, and it says quiz 1, but that's really going to be question 1. And as you can see here, as the video plays, that's going to be the quiz here. You can drag where you want that on the timeline. Once you're done adding all of the questions that you want to add to your videos, go ahead and go to Save in the upper right-hand corner. It says once a quiz is saved, you will not be able to edit it. If you need to make changes, you have to delete the existing quiz and add a new one. So you can make changes, but you'll have to start from the beginning. Go ahead and click Save, and you are good to go. To know that it went through, you should see a green check mark there next to the Add a Quiz option. Now what do? Now you go to Next and go all the way to the end like you normally would upload a video. Make your video public or scheduled or however you want to do it. Hit Upload. Make sure it's published, and you are good to go. If for any reason you don't see this feature or have an issue, I will have a pinned comment section down below with frequently asked questions. Hopefully this helped, and I'll see you guys in the next video.